Crafting sellable, functional, and stylish eco-luxury kitchen decor begins with a philosophy that beauty and responsibility can coexist seamlessly, transforming sustainable materials into refined pieces that elevate everyday living. The kitchen is no longer just a utilitarian space. It has become the emotional center of the home, a place where design, nourishment, and gathering intersect. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Creating eco-luxury decor for this space requires an understanding that function must lead, but aesthetics must inspire. Each crafted piece, whether a reclaimed wood serving board, a sculptural utensil holder forged from salvaged metal, or a minimalist spice rack shaped from architectural offcuts, must feel intentional, durable, and elegant. The challenge lies not only in repurposing materials, but in refining them to a standard that meets modern expectations of sophistication while retaining their sustainable origins. The process begins with thoughtful material selection, as the integrity of eco-luxury decor depends on the quality and history of its components. Reclaimed wood, salvaged from old structures or industrial remnants, carries a richness of grain and tone that new timber often lacks. However, its transformation into kitchen-worthy decor requires meticulous preparation. Cleaning is the first crucial step, not merely to remove dirt or residue, but to stabilize the material for safe indoor use. Gentle brushing, sanding, and careful inspection ensure that hidden contaminants or rough imperfections are addressed without stripping away character. In the kitchen environment, hygiene and durability are paramount, so surfaces must be refined to a smooth, food-safe finish while preserving the natural warmth that makes reclaimed wood so appealing. Shaping these materials into functional forms demands precision and restraint. Eco-luxury design is defined by simplicity that feels deliberate rather than minimal for its own sake. When crafting a serving tray or cutting board, the edges are softened to invite touch, proportions are balanced for comfortable handling, and the grain direction is considered to enhance both strength and visual flow. Each curve or angle contributes to the piece's overall harmony, reflecting an understanding that true luxury lies in subtle details. Metal accents, if incorporated, are cleaned and treated to remove corrosion while maintaining their industrial character. Brushed finishes or sealed patinas add depth without overwhelming the organic qualities of wood, creating a refined contrast that speaks to contemporary design sensibilities. Finishing techniques play a defining role in elevating sustainable materials into eco-luxury statements. Food-safe oils and natural sealants protect wooden surfaces while enhancing their color and texture, allowing the grain to glow softly under light. The finish must be even and thoughtfully applied, avoiding excessive gloss that feels artificial. In metal components, careful polishing or matte sealing ensures longevity and resistance to kitchen humidity. This stage is where craftsmanship becomes visible, as a poorly finished piece can undermine even the most inspired design. Precision in sanding, sealing, and curing communicates professionalism and care, qualities that discerning buyers associate with value. Functionality remains central throughout the crafting process. Kitchen decor that is purely ornamental may capture attention briefly, but pieces that integrate seamlessly into daily routines achieve lasting appeal. A wall-mounted rack crafted from reclaimed timber must support weight securely while maintaining a clean silhouette. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, And tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. A utensil holder fashioned from salvaged metal should feel stable and proportionate, its interior surfaces smooth enough to prevent wear. When beauty and utility merge without compromise, the result is decor that feels indispensable rather than decorative alone. This integration enhances sellability because customers recognize the practicality embedded in the design. Eco-luxury kitchen decor also carries emotional weight, as it connects users to sustainable values through tactile experience. Holding a handcrafted serving board made from reclaimed wood evokes a sense of continuity, as if the material's past has been gently reshaped into a new chapter of domestic life. This narrative dimension distinguishes sustainable pieces from mass-produced alternatives. Buyers increasingly seek products that align with mindful consumption, and when decor visibly reflects environmental responsibility without sacrificing elegance, it fulfills both ethical and aesthetic aspirations. The perception of eco-luxury arises not from extravagance, but from authenticity combined with refinement. Achieving high sellability requires attention to market expectations as well as craftsmanship. Modern kitchens often feature clean lines, neutral palettes, and subtle textures, so eco-luxury decor must complement rather than compete with these environments. Designs that emphasize natural tones, minimalist forms, and balanced proportions integrate effortlessly into contemporary interiors. Versatility also enhances market appeal. A serving board that doubles as a display piece, or a modular storage unit adaptable to various layouts, offers added value. This adaptability demonstrates thoughtful design and broadens the potential customer base. Sustainability, when presented with confidence and clarity, becomes a powerful selling point. Transparency about material sourcing and finishing methods builds trust, reinforcing the perception of quality. Customers are more inclined to invest in pieces that reflect responsible practices and skilled workmanship. By documenting the transformation from reclaimed material to finished decor, makers deepen the connection between product and buyer, enhancing perceived worth. Eco-luxury thrives on this intersection of narrative and execution, where the story of transformation supports the visual and functional excellence of the final piece. Ultimately, crafting sellable, functional, and stylish eco-luxury kitchen decor is an act of balance. It harmonizes raw materials with refined techniques, environmental awareness with commercial viability, and practicality with aesthetic aspiration. Through meticulous cleaning, precise shaping, and careful finishing, reclaimed wood and salvaged metal evolve into pieces that feel both grounded and elevated. These creations redefine luxury not as excess, but as thoughtful craftsmanship rooted in sustainability. In transforming humble materials into elegant kitchen statements, makers prove that eco-conscious design can be beautiful, desirable, and highly profitable, enriching homes while honoring the resources from which they are born. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.